Hey everybody, Geoff back with another lesson, 30-second note linear fills. These are quite flashy as you just seen, but they're actually really simple, right? The speed is what makes it look flashy. The actual part is actually a piece of cake. We're going to split the whole thing into two halves. The first half is something that we just call linear quads, which is just 2 over 2, so 2 with the hands and 2 with the feet. By all means, if you've got a double kick, do right foot and then left foot. I'm going to do it with a single kick and it goes like this. Simple, all right? The second half then, we've got a 4 over 2. So we've got a linear 6. Now it's 4 with the hands, 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by 2 with the feet. It's going to go here first and then here. Now in the bar, that then leaves 4 more notes, which I could just do 4 on the snare to come out. In fact, I'll do that to start with. So this will be the second half. So if I put the two together, if I play with the grooves, you get a bit of an idea. Now the ending, you might notice if you watched my first video closely, I actually did this at the end, down the drums. So that's a pretty standard out for a band or for a drummer to play this. So delete the last 4 on the snare and instead play that. The whole thing will be this. Okay, and that's it. Now, counting of it, at the moment, you can count it as 30-second notes, right? So 1 E under, 1 E under, 2 E under, 2 E under, 1 E under, what's it be? 1 E under, 1 E under, 2 E under, 2 E under, 3 E under, 4 E under, 1 E, you know, and so on and so forth, right? But as you just seen, I get completely screwed up when I count 30-second notes. I've mentioned this in other videos. What I always do with 30-second notes is I do what I call changing gear, which instead of counting to 32, I just count to 16 twice. So I count 1 E under, 2 E under, 3 E under, 4 E under, 1 E under, 2 E under, 3 E under, 4 E under, and that's the whole part. So we'd get 1 E under, 2 E under, 3 E under, 4 E under, and then 1 E under, 2 E under, 3 E under, 4 E under, crash. If you need to count, go and do that. Get a metronome on. The best advice I can give you with this to get it correct is to find a metronome which plays 16ths for you, as in it plays like and try and play with time of that. That way then your bass drums are going to start to get more accurate. Sometimes the bass drums will be too fast or too slow compared to the hands. That's going to sound real messy. So find the metronome with beep, 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 beep. Start real slow, gradually get faster and faster and faster. I've just showed you one way you can use it around the drum, so you can hit whatever you want playing this fill, all right? I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please leave me some comments. Let me know what your thoughts are. Like, share, hit the little bell button if you're on YouTube. I hope to see you all again soon and have a good day.